taped. Act accordingly.
I don't need this helmet.
Yes, you do.
What are we getting?
Pick that helmet up. Put it on your head.
What are we getting?
Come on, man.
I don't need this helmet for my scooter.
Yeah, you're right. This kind of overkill for the scooter, isn't it?
Yeah.
It sure is. It's kind of big for your head, too.
Okay.
All right. That's it. Merry Christmas. All right, now walk out the door. Okay. Now, close your eyes. Turn the corner. Oh, my God. What is it? What is it? Oh, man. And you were right there catching it. Man, what do you do, man? What do you do with that? What do you do with that? Oh, my gosh. Do you even know how to ride that thing?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Where did you get that?
It just appeared. I told you I was in tight with Santa Claus.
Was it just already here?
All right, Jonathan, do you know how to ride that thing?
Hey. It needs a battery.
It needs a battery. No, keep going.